What up, guys? Look who I'm sitting next to. Hey, guys, what's up? So, are you thinking about doing some Christmas lights? I was just down here, and we are in Gatlinburg, Pigeon Forge area, and I've seen some Christmas lights, and I wanted to just show you some Christmas lights because it's pretty cool stuff here, guys. Look at this thing. What the Hades is that? So we got... Oh, it's a thing to scare the birds off. So we got a pretty cool thing here. We got some manger scene, peace on earth, all kinds of cool stuff. This is an actual Christmas light store. Christmas lights and collectibles. They do all kinds of different things. I've been here before, and normally I say don't install these stuff, but I wanted to just show some of them to you just so that way you can kind of see what we got here. I can't turn my camera around, but it is pretty cool. They got all kinds of things. I'm gonna see if I can get up here and I'll show you some of this. But again, these things are huge. You can see I am 6 feet tall, and this thing is probably another 6 feet high. So it is pretty cool, and we got all kinds of stuff. You can see peace on earth, peace on earth, peace on earth, peace, man. So I just wanted to kind of show you this stuff. But Christmas lights is a great add-on business, and it is a lot of fun. Every time I come down here in Pigeon Forge, I always stop at the Christmas light stores and I look at them and I just have fun with it. But there's just a bunch of different things here, guys. And actually, they're supposed to light up the city tomorrow, so I will probably get some more video and more footage of it. But again, if you need anything, this one here is right in before you get into, right off the interstate. There's another store about 2 or 3 miles down. It's called Lights Done Bright or something like that. Both of these stores do sell them online. You do have to pay shipping, and when you're dealing with, this is metal. I mean, this thing weighs a ton. It is metal, so it is something that is pretty, it's not light. One reason, if you're doing it, if this is your homeowner and you're looking for stuff, this is a great way to do it. You do have to, the reason why as a light installer I don't do this stuff is because of how heavy it is, how big it is, how bulky it is. And to store that stuff is really a pain in the tail. And so that's kind of why I never push this stuff. But it is cool, and I love looking at it. I love seeing it. They got some stuff out here by the road, all different kinds of things here. So again, if you're looking for any of that kind of stuff, definitely it's down here in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. This is actually in Sevierville, Tennessee. And so it is pretty cool. Hope you have a good night, and I'll see you in my next video.